It's the next morning now, and we had to drive all the way into the center of California, into the city, for my friend's doctor's appointment. And during her appointment, I was left to watch her dog, and this is just a few clips from that. Practicing some of Winnie's alerts, and yeah.
Someday the sorrow is gonna take
Good. Sit.
someday the sorrow is gonna take me away. Yeah, someday the sorrow is gonna take me away.
One of our own as well here in radio. Gnarly Charlie, as I knew him, he was Willie Be Good on the radio.
Hi,
He's on
darling.
Darwin, and what an incredible talent he's been on the air, and he's gone way too young as well. So
You're so cute.
I'm telling you, I have like 500 pictures of Haley's dogs.
And on next episode of Young, Dumb, and Disabled...
Good girl.
Kaboom!